Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. The lighting in our room is so shocking. Oh my god. No thank you. I don't know why I'm still in my puffer coat actually. Do you guys like my new puffer coat? I love it. It's from Tala. It's a Tala season puffer coat. Ah! Why is it not coming off? I can't undo it now. Oh, there we go. Well, apologies for my really dirty hoodie as well, if you can see that. I just thought I'd do a cheeky little I say couple days, but it's basically like I'm gonna vlog this evening and tomorrow morning because we're going to Paris tomorrow. How exciting. Bonjour! Flight's at 6:30 in the evening. I'm gonna leave around 2 o'clock, so we've got tomorrow morning to sort of sort ourselves out and everything. Tomorrow we're going to get our Christmas tree. Yeah, I want to come back to a Christmas tree basically. So when we get back we'll have our Christmas tree up, so we're going to go and get our Christmas tree tomorrow, which is going to be really exciting. I'm going to take you with us. I just thought I would pack. Basically, I just thought it'd be funny to vlog it. I need to have a little think of a few outfits that I'm gonna take. I'll show you guys and you can like pack with me basically for Paris. But I'm so excited. I've never been to Paris before. So first of all, packing wise, I want to look really nice in Paris basically. One thing for sure, I know what I'm packing are 2 pairs of earrings that I'm going to be taking to Paris. They have both kindly been sent to me by Ana Luisa and they are actually sponsoring the next 2 minutes of this video. If you guys don't know who Ana Luisa are, they are a sustainable jewellery brand. They are based in New York, 100% carbon neutral, so that means that they offset 100% of their carbon emissions. They've sent me 2 pairs of earrings which I'm 100% taking to Paris. The first pair are the ones that I'm actually wearing right now. I wore these to work today. This is what they look like close up. Like a medium-sized gold hoop. That's what they look like. And these are so cute. I feel like everyone needs a pair of gold hoops like this. Definitely going to be wearing these literally every single day in Paris and also when I come home as well, because if you know me, I love a gold hoop. Also, I'm going to be taking them in these beautiful little pouches that they send them in. So they're like the perfect size. There we go. They're really strong magnets actually. Just like magnetic. But yeah, this is the second pair. So this is the second pair of earrings. Oh, if it's going to focus. And I think these are literally so Paris because of the pearls. So they are also gold hoops. They're very similar size to the ones that I'm wearing right now. Double hoop with these pearls in the middle. Absolutely love these. Can you guys tell that I love gold hoops? Because they are currently having a massive holiday sale at the moment. Jewellery in general makes such a great gift for like Christmas, birthdays. Even if you want to get yourself a little gift, if you wanted to go and have a little look at that. I will leave the link in the top line of the description box. It'll be a clickable link, so you can literally just pop down there. Once you're finished watching this video, click the link and have a little browse of their website. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sending me these beautiful pairs of earrings. I'm going to be wearing them so much. Oh. Can we get one, Charles? I want one. Look at this sleigh. Look at these kittens. Hello everybody. We're going to get a Christmas tree. Woohoo! Wow, I love it. Tree vibes. Wow, look at them. They're new. Hello. Nice to meet you. Freezing. It actually is freezing cold. There's no snow. That is too fake as well. Look at that one. Nope. We're gonna go get a real tree outside. What are those? No idea. What does this do? Can you like make your own wreaths? I'm guessing so. Wow, look at these. Oh, it's the same. Did we get this one? We've literally got this, haven't we? But silver. Yeah, I think so. Or is it gold?
I think it's silver.
We've got this wreath that we're gonna put up on our door. Oh, I love it let's go find a tree. Christmas trees this way. Okay guys, we've just seen this tree and it's not bare. What do we think? Do we think that one? That one's nice. Better. Do you? Than the other one? Yeah. Hang on, let's zoom out. This tree.
We can always cut the top off.
Yeah, it's just got a really long head.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get this one. Okay, let's get this one. We need to go and find someone. Okay, we've changed our minds again. We're going to get this one. It's a very nice, like, all-rounded tree, isn't it? It's not too bare or anything. I quite like him. We just need to find someone. I literally can't find anyone that works here. So, Charlie, please don't let it fall. We need to hide it so no one else gets it. Quick. Guys. Mission successful. We've got the tree. See, that'll fit in my car nicely compared to last year. Because I literally had to, like, drive. I had to drive with it. No, not with the boot up. I had to drive, like, and the tree went all the way through, like, in there.
Again.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but not as bad. I literally, like, couldn't see, like, to my left last time. Oh, don't get...
Will that close like that?
No. Yeah, that's fine. Well, should be fine anyway. Yes. Okay, mission successful. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cold. Look, we got a new mate here. Time to go. Oh yeah, just get loads of it all in my car. Ow. Oh, look at it all. Oh well, that's a tomorrow problem. Hey yo, Santa. Oh, Charlie. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. You're handling that quite well actually. Carrying that tree. Don't wreck any cars. Guys, I decided to call the tree Rob. I don't really think he looks like a Rob though, Charles. Can we have more of a festive name? Like a reindeer name or something?
Jingles.
Jingles. We have a Christmas tree and it's gonna go right there. Okay, wait there. You need to hold it. Thanks, Daddy. It should just pull off, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
He's falling. He's falling!
I ain't gonna fall now though.
Yeah, but it's so angled. Look at it. Ah! In 10 hours.
More like 10 minutes.
No. We finally got it. Looking nice and straight. Jingles is looking lovely in his new home. Bonjour. Okay, this is just gonna have to do. Okay, so it's currently 12:20 and we're supposed to leave at 1:30 and I've not packed yet. So we're gonna pack speedy style. I've got a brief idea of what I'm gonna take. Oh, bless me. Sorry about the messy room as well, by the way. Suitcase that I'm going to be taking, it's a trip one. I actually stole it. Well, I didn't steal it, I claimed it from someone who left it at the airport when I used to work at the airport. This is all like my fresh washing that I still need to put away, but that is when we get home from Paris job. So this is all like my liquids, and then this is all my like powders and stuff that I don't have to take out of my bag. So start with the essentials. So we've got some pants, got some socks. I'm gonna take this cute little hair clip, claw clip. Take these sunglasses as well because I feel like they're very Paris vibes. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs prescription sunglasses. They look like this. And these are very Paris as well, and they've got my prescription in them, so I'm going to be able to see. Not that it's going to be sun. I'm going to take my jewellery, obviously. I'm going to take all of my, like, I've got loads of like earrings, necklaces and stuff in here. This khaki like cropped blazer from Zara, I'm gonna take this because I feel like this would be nice to go out for like dinner and stuff. This like knitted high neck top from Zara, like a plain like ASOS vest. I'm also gonna take a plain white t-shirt. This is mainly just for like layering and stuff under my jumpers. If you couldn't tell, this is my absolute favourite jumper that I got off of Vinted. This is from Zara from about a year ago. They kind of look like pyjama bottoms, but they're just like these like jersey like drawstring waist, like wide leg soft stretchy trousers. I'm gonna take these, obviously my trusty leather trousers, like high-waisted leather trousers from Motel. I literally wear these all the time. I wear them literally every single time I go out, yeah. So I'm gonna take those. Take these weekday jeans. These are the weekday Row jeans, I think. Yeah, Row jeans. I'm gonna take some makeup wipes just in case I like try to do a winged eyeliner or something and I F up my eyeliner. So I've got some makeup wipes. And then I'm gonna take my disposable camera as well because I've still got lots of film left on it. This is the Canon, what is it? Is it the Sure Shot? Yeah, the Canon Sure Shot 35mm film camera. I'm just gonna try and fit it all in and then yeah, I'm just gonna try and fit it all in and then see how much room I've got left, and then I might add some more bits. Okay, I think we're ready to go. I don't think it looks too full, to be honest. I had a little bit of extra room, so I put one of Charlie's jumpers like out of his bag in here, and then I put a shirt, beanie, and this like Motel Rocks like lace dress. It's got a little slit in it. I really wanted to bring my trench coat, so I'm gonna see if I can fit my trench coat in there and do it up. And then I think we're going to be good to go. I've literally had this bag for about 6 years now. It's just literally what everyone's got, like a black Longchamp bag. My Prada bag, I'm going to take it in this bag because I don't want to like squish it in that one. Literally just got the chain on it. I might take the like big long strap so I can like wear it across my body as well. So I've also got my Doc Martens in there. Don't know if you can see them there, but they're like the Doc Martens platform Chelsea boots. I'm going to take those as well. All the necessities in here. I've just got like a scrunchie. What else? I've got some pens in case you have to fill out any forms. I've got Gorilla Pod. How are we doing for time? Okay, so it's 12:44. We've got to leave in 45 minutes. And there you have it. It's all in there. I managed to fit my trench coat in there as well, which is very needed. I've got our passports in there. I've got my big coat. The tree is up. Jingles is looking spectacular. So yes, the tree is up. We're packed for Paris. We're gonna leave in, how long are we gonna leave in? Like 20 minutes, do you reckon? Yeah, I reckon like 20 minutes. Next video you will see is us in Paris, because I'm gonna vlog Paris, obviously, because we've both never been before, which is super exciting. And obviously, just like that, the camera decides to cut off. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely subscribe down below to my channel if you're not subscribed already. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a like as well. Next video that you'll see is Paris. It's coming soon. I'm just editing it now. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa as well down below in the description box. I will leave the link to their website down below if you wanted to go and have a little look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.